Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, is a serious neurological disease that affects the ability to move. It is also called Lou Gehrig's disease. About 20,000 Americans have ALS, and 5,000 more are diagnosed with it each year. ALS affects people of all races and ethnic backgrounds. It mostly affects people between the ages of 40 and 60 years old. Men are more likely to get ALS than women. This patient education program will help you understand ALS and its treatment options. Anatomy. The brain and spinal cord are called the central nervous system. The nerves in the body, such as the arms, legs, chest, abdomen, and pelvis, make up the peripheral nervous system. The brain is similar to a very complex computer that processes input from our senses and then tells the body how to respond by talking or moving. The main cells that make up the brain and the spinal cord are called neurons. The neurons are the thinking cells of the brain. They communicate with each other by sending electric signals through wires called axons. Neurons that control our muscles are called motor neurons. The axons of motor neurons cause our muscles to contract, which helps us adapt to our environment by talking, walking, chewing, and running. ALS. ALS attacks the neurons that control muscles, the motor neurons. Messages from motor neurons in the brain called upper motor neurons are transmitted to motor neurons in the spinal cord called lower motor neurons, then passed on to the muscles. With ALS, both the upper motor neurons and the lower motor neurons die and stop sending messages to muscles. Symptoms. Symptoms of ALS usually occur very gradually. At first, they may be mistaken for symptoms of other, less serious diseases.